Dan, welcome to HTH How to Help. Here we provide tips and insights to make your life easier and help you achieve your goals. Today we're diving into how to craft the perfect resume and cover letter using AI tools. Let's get started. The job market is a tough nut to crack. You need every advantage you can get. Forget those days of staring at a blank screen. AI is here to revolutionize your job hunt. AI can help you craft a killer resume and cover letter. No more excuses for bland applications. This is your chance to wow potential employers. Get ready to turn those applications from tragic to magic. AI is here to help you land that dream job. Creating a resume can feel like climbing Mount Everest, but fear not, because AI tools like Zeti and resume.io are here to be your Sherpas. These tools offer a user-friendly experience, even for the most technologically challenged. They provide templates and pre-written content, taking the guesswork out of formatting and wording. Just input your information and watch as these tools work their magic. They'll help you structure your work experience, education, and skills in a clear and concise manner. No more messy layouts or confusing timelines. Zeti and resume.io ensure your resume is easy to read and visually appealing. Remember, first impressions matter. Make yours count with a professional-looking resume. In the competitive job market, your skills are your weapons. You need to showcase the best of the best. That's where JobScan comes in. This nifty tool analyzes your resume against job descriptions, identifying any missing keywords. It's like having a personal recruiter whispering industry secrets in your ear. JobScan helps you sprinkle those magic keywords throughout your resume, increasing your chances of landing an interview. Let JobScan be your guide to keyword optimization. Cover letter power impressing with AI-driven personalization. Think cover letters are dead? Think again. A well-written cover letter can be your secret weapon, showcasing your personality and passion. But crafting a compelling narrative can be daunting. That's where AI tools like Cover Letter Builder and ChatGPT come to the rescue. These tools help you personalize your cover letter, tailoring it to each specific job description. Forget generic templates. These AI-powered assistants help you craft a compelling story that connects with the hiring manager. Cover Letter Builder provides structure and suggestions, while ChatGPT can generate creative content to make your letter stand out. Remember, this is your chance to shine. Don't waste it with a dull and lifeless cover letter. Polishing your prose. The importance of grammar and style. You've got the content, but is it restaurant quality? Even the most impressive skills and experience can be overshadowed by poor grammar and style. This is where Grammarly comes in, your trusty proofreader and editor. It catches typos, grammatical errors, and stylistic inconsistencies, ensuring your resume and cover letter are polished to perfection. Don't underestimate the power of a well-written document. Quick tips for job application success. Want to make your job application sizzle? Here are some quick tips to remember. 1. Keep it concise. No one wants to read a novel. Keep your resume to one page and your cover letter to a maximum of 3 paragraphs. Get to the point and highlight your most relevant qualifications. 2. Tailor, tailor, tailor. Don't be lazy. Customize your resume and cover letter for each job application. Highlight the skills and experiences that are most relevant to the specific role. 3. Proofread like your life depends on it. Typos and grammatical errors are like serving burnt food. Unacceptable. Proofread your documents carefully, or better yet, use a tool like Grammarly. Share your secrets. Join the journey. There you have it, you lot. AI is changing the game of job hunting. Embrace these tools and watch your applications go from zero to hero. Now I want to hear from you. What are your tips for crafting winning resumes and cover letters? Share your secrets in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more career advice and job hunting tips. Let's conquer the culinary world, one application at a time.